What's up guys? So, the wait is almost over, and Google has officially revealed the launch date for the new Google Pixel 6 series, which will take place on Tuesday, October 19th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, which means 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So mark your calendars, as the event will happen just 2 weeks from today. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's get start the video. So, there's no further information on the Pixel event landing page, but the company already spilled their beans on the Pixel 6 series in August, followed by TV spots, billboards, in-store teasers, YouTube video based around potato chips. But today, Evan Blass has revealed a plethora of new official images of Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, giving us another real-life look, and also showing us some software features of the handset. So first, let's take a look at these beautiful pictures of the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. For the first time ever in Google's smartphone history, this actually looks like a real Google phone. The photos show the phone splashed with water, suggesting it'll have an IP rating for dust and water resistance, which isn't surprising. And it also shows the phone with the charger, which is going to be 33 watts. But this is not going to be included with the phone. We also have our first look at the Pixel stand, which will offer 23 watts of wireless charging support to the Pixel 6 handset. The stand looks bulkier compared to the older model, possibly because it includes a built-in fan for cooling, and these images suggest you will be able to switch the wireless charger between performance mode and quiet mode, depending on whether you prioritize a faster charge or silence. Anyway, now, let's move to the software features. First up, the Live Space is a major at-a-glance update for the Android 12. What this does is, suppose you have an upcoming flight, the Pixel 6 will note it in the top left corner, complete with departure time. But what's new here is it will show a button at the right that notes your gate and seat number, as well as the boarding QR code pass, so tapping will presumably open a bigger version for quick scanning. Moreover, some third-party apps will be integrated into this, as well as one screenshot shows a running activity from an Adidas app that notes elapsed time and distance run. Also, the Pixel 6 will have an under-display fingerprint scanner, and the screenshot confirms that as well. But it also confirms that the phone will have a face unlocking system. This is not going to be as secure as the Face ID on iPhones or Google's own Pixel 4. Google is actually using an RGB camera for this to work, which is a little more secure than what other Android OEMs are doing. Furthermore, Google is expected to unveil the Pixel Fold and the Pixel Watch alongside the Pixel 6, also alongside new Nest speakers and the Pixel Tab, which could be true, since devices have already leaked in some capacity. However, Google has not certified any of these devices with the Federal Communications Commission, as it has with the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. So, the Pixel Fold, Pixel Watch, Pixel Tab and new Nest speakers are not close to shipping, unless the FCC publishes new filings between now and October 19th. In addition, the Pixel Fold and Pixel Tab is also expected to feature Google's Tensor SoC, where the modified Exynos W920 could be a potential candidate to power a Pixel Watch series, given how closely Google and Samsung are working these days. Anyway, we have some updated information about the pricing of the handset. A few days ago, we got the European prices, which revealed the Pixel 6 will cost €649, while the Pixel 6 Pro will be €899. Today, a German retailer has listed the Pixel 6, and the price matches with the earlier leaked one, which is €649. But it also shows that Google could bundle a pair of Bose 700 headphones as a pre-order bonus with the Pixel 6 for free. But note that pre-order bonuses differ for different markets, so for the folks over in the US, Canada may not get the same pre-order deal. Anyway, that's all the latest news. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun, this is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.